Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In this video, I will show you how to connect the free REST API and fetch the live data in the SAP Build Apps. We will use country details free API as an example to fetch the country name, capital, and flag. These UI interface canvas, go to integrations, create data entity as universal REST API integration. Provide data entity name as country details. Provide a base API URL. Copy the URL from the standard API documentation, that is www.restcountries.com. Here you can add additional filters like country name, that is name, comma, capital, and flags. Then provide a data entity description. Then scroll down and add a new additional input as name, that is refers to the country name. Field type should be text. Add. Then click on the retrieve, and here you have to create the query. Choose a formula and create formula. The formula should be with the proper syntax. So name, query additional inputs dot name. Then you can add additional filters here, like fields equal to name, capital, and flag. Save the query. Now you can test the query. Go to test tab and enter the name, for example India, and run test. This is the API call response. You can see the response is status is okay and 200 code. That means our query is successful. Click on auto detect schema from response. It will reflect on the schema tab, and enable the retrieve and save data entity. Now the integration entity is created. Click on variables and create data variables. Here data variable type should be collection of data records, and click save. Create page variables. Here we will create the page variable as a search, because we are searching countries. So click save. This UI interface canvas. Add titles to the UI canvas and add the title as country details, and add container, and this container is for search, and add a search bar into the container. Then bind the variable, that is page variable, as search. Add another container. This container is for field names or header names. And add rows into this container. And by default this container, no, this rows will have two cells, but we need three cells, because it's a country name, capital, and flag. and add text to the each cells, and rename the text as a country. And you can edit the formatting of the text, like maybe bold or italic. You can do it from the style tab. And add another text to the second cell, and this is for capital. And you can edit the format, text format, in the same way from the style tab. And third cell is for image, that is a flag. And we will add a text, as a field name flag. Add another container, and this is where actual data will appear here. Add rows into the container. By default, it will have only two cells. We need to increase to three cells. Add text to the cell 1. Add text to cell 2. This is for capital. And image to cell 3 because it will display a flag. And select the container, and click on repeat with the values data and variables. So here you have to bend the data variable. Click save, and select the text for country name. Bind the variable data item repeat with the current name. Choose current and choose name common. Click save. And text file, this is for capital. Bind the variable with formula. Repeat current capital. Click save. Choose image and click on source. Bind data in item repeat, and choose flags and save. Now save the app. You can preview the app. Click on preview. Click on open web preview. This is a web view of the app. Here you can see country, capital and flag, and this is a mobile view of the app. You can search any country: India, capital New Delhi and flag, and Pakistan, Islamabad, and United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. So here it will display country, capital and flag. Now I will connect this app into my mobile. So these are my mobile screen. So I have opened SAP Build Apps from the mobile. And this is my mobile screen, and you can see here country, capital and flag. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching Nina Tech.